हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ मिलिंद कोरेकर। ये वीडियो मैंने इसलिए बनाया है क्योंकि आज आप जैसे जानते हैं प्रोविजनल रिज़ल्ट फॉर फर्स्ट राउंड नीट अंडरग्रेड प्लेसमेंट का जो रिज़ल्ट है वो आज आया है। शायद कल आने वाला था बट आज आया। मैं आपको आई बी वॉकिंग यू थ्रू द एलोकेशंस बट मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली मैंने थोड़ा एनालिसिस करा है। I was interested more from as an outsider. मेरा कोई पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट है नहीं नीट में। पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट नहीं है इन द सेंस आई एम नॉट अ स्टूडेंट, आई एम नॉट अ फैकल्टी, मैं कोई क्लासेस नहीं चलाता, मैं मैं ना कोई ट्यूशंस लेता हूँ। आई एम एन एम्प्लॉयड पर्सन, आई वर्क फॉर अ फॉर अ इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक। और आज फ्राइडे है तो मैंने सोचा चलो थोड़ा एनालिसिस कर लेते हैं। लास्ट 2-3 मंथ्स आई बीन क्वाइट हियरिंग अबाउट नीट। मैंने इस होल नीट के सीन को थोड़ा क्लोजली देखा, काफ़ी सारे टॉपर्स के वीडियोस देखे हैं जो नीट जिन्होंने टॉप किया। there are a lot of people who vlog और vlog about their experiences on campus, तो वो मैंने काफ़ी सारे देखे। मैंने टेलीग्राम चैनल पे the kind of noise that sorry, bad word, not noise but essentially all the traffic that gets generated, वो भी थोड़ा देखा है। तो it was fascinating, this is not the world that I come from। मैंने बायो को ज़्यादा सीरियसली नहीं लिया था ट्वेल्थ में because that was never my goal। But rather than making this about myself, let's make this about what has happened today. So I'll switch my screen and let me walk you through what I'm talking about. So जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, just bear with me. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, this is the website mcc.nic.in UG Counseling। यहाँ पे अगर आप जाएंगे तो आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में डाउनलोड के अंदर डाउनलोड सेक्शन के अंदर प्रोविजनल रिजल्ट फॉर राउंड 1 MBBS BDS अंडर ग्रेजुएट 2020 का लिंक मिलेगा। तो ये आप डाउनलोड कीजिए। इसको आप डाउनलोड करेंगे तो यू विल एसेंशियली बी लुकिंग एट अ शीट विच इज दिस। This is the PDF that got downloaded. It starts with a few quotas. उनके एब्रीविएशंस दिए गए हैं कि व्हाट दे मीन, बिकॉज इन एब्रीविएशंस को दे हैव बीन यूज्ड इन द शीट बिलो। ये काफ़ी बड़ा पीडीएफ है तो इसको प्रिंट विंट मत कीजिए। केयर अबाउट द एनवायरनमेंट, 403 पेजेस। सो दिस इज़ ओनली फॉर रेफरेंस, इसका कुछ ज़्यादा मायने रखेगा नहीं है। बट मैंने जो एनालिसिस किया है उसके बाद काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, काफ़ी सारे हिडन एट्रीब्यूट्स पूरी प्रोसेस के थोड़े बाहर आते हैं, तो वो मैं आपके साथ ऑब्वियसली शेयर करूंगा। दैट्स द होल आइडिया ऑफ दिस वीडियो। बट दिस इज द लिस्ट। दिस लिस्ट गोज ऑन फॉर अनदर 402 पेजेस। आप देखेंगे इस लिस्ट को तो इसमें सीरियल नंबर, ऑल इंडिया रैंक, अलॉटेड कोटा, एएमएस, ये जो कोटा है वो उसका उसका कोड ऊपर दिया हुआ है। सो एएमएस इज एसेंशियली एज एन एग्जांपल is एम्स न्यू दिल्ली ओपन कैटेगरी और ओपन और जनरल ओपन सीट्स जिसको बोलते हैं। जिपमर पुडुचेरी जेएनओ, दिस इज ओपन। जिपमर में देर आर थ्री मोर कैटेगरीज। जिपमर इंटरनल, ये कुछ इंटरनल कोटाज होंगे उनके, और जिपमर एनआरआई और नॉन रेसिडेंट इंडियंस। So there are different categories in which seats have been allotted. So let's not read too much into these these quota abbreviations. What we are here to see is हर एक college का क्या range पड़ता है, और with different categories वो कैसे change होता है, क्या ट्रेंड्स निकलती है उसमें से, कौन सा कॉलेज एक आध रीजन में गेट्स वेरी पॉपुलर, which colleges are more popular in South India, West India, North India, East India, Central India. Those are the kind of analysis that we will run today, and we'll see, like I said, round 1 के बाद क्या range बनती है। So ये जैसे मैंने बताया, ये जो sheet है, it starts with these three columns, then the allotted institute का नाम लिखा हुआ है, course MBBS BDS मैं दोनों के बताऊंगा आपको। allotted category general, candidate category general। Now this is something very interesting because ऐसे भी होता है कि आप you could be part of a quota, as in you applied as a reservation candidate, but you are granted a seat based on merit। तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे two candidates, there were such cases where Even though they were reservation candidates, they have been given seats based on their merit and nothing else. And then lastly, remark, which is allotted. I think that's an obvious one, but ये शायद सेकेंड और थर्ड राउंड में अलॉटेड को शायद री अलॉटेड या फिर और कोई नाम आ जाए. आप देख सकते हैं कि दिस लिस्ट इज क्वाइट हैवी टू डाइजेस्ट. तो इसको डाइजेस्ट करना इतना इजी नहीं है अनलेस यू रन सम बेसिक स्लाइसिंग एंड डाइसिंग जो मैंने की. तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स जंप राइट इनटू व्हाट आई हैव टू प्रेजेंट. सो आई डोंट नो, आपको शायद आपका रेजोल्यूशन थोड़ा हाई करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे फॉन्ट काफ़ी छोटा है. बट एनी वे आई गो थ्रू इट. तो मैंने क्या किया है कि हर एक मेडिकल कॉलेज को के बारे में उसका ओवरऑल रेंज क्या है, मतलब हाईएस्ट रैंक जिस बच्चे को फर्स्ट रैंक आया था उसने एम्स चूज किया हुआ है. एंड समवन हु वाज रैंक 50,305, he also has been allotted AIIMS न्यू दिल्ली इन द फर्स्ट राउंड. ये इसी रेंज को आप जनरल कैटेगरी का देखेंगे तो 1 and 51, that's the range which is expected. Only 2 kids seem to have left AIIMS Delhi for other colleges, and we'll see that. Then the next one is the OBC quota, again range very tight. Same is the case with SC and the other categories. Now ये थोड़ा range inflated आपको लगेगा क्योंकि AIIMS में there are these special quotas which are for persons with disabilities. As you know, we are looking to make an inclusive world, and it's really our duty to make sure that people of all abilities are given the exact same facilities as well as opportunities. So this is a very welcome gesture or very welcome step by Government of India. So ये थोड़ा inflated लगेगा, but don't go by that. तो what I'll do is rather than looking at जैसे statistics में होता है, आप you tend to leave out all the extremes. So we'll try to keep it down to these first 6 categories that are more relevant to everyone. And let's just do that. Okay, so let's start off this analysis. First and foremost, without any doubt, AIIMS remains the #1 college in our country for medicine. By the way, this is, again, like I said, MBBS only. The top 51 candidates have taken admission. We already looked at the other categories as well. Second college जो है, there was no consensus कि भाई कौन सा college number 2 पे है. Or in this case, JIPMER seems to have attracted the next best students after the ones who could not get into New Delhi AIIMS. But आप इस रेंज को देखेंगे तो ये काफ़ी ब्रॉड रेंज है because of the internal and the NRI quotas that we saw in the previous PDF. So, and another thing to notice is this is the first time, this is a special year 2020 for many reasons. NEET के बारे में आप देखेंगे तो there were 3 things that happened. Firstly, NEET got postponed big time, multiple times. Secondly, obviously because of COVID. So COVID का जो impact हुआ वो तो आपको दिख ही रहा है, मेरे ऊपर भी काफ़ी सारा impact हुआ है. And then the third one is, this is the first year when जो भी मेडिकल कॉलेजेस हैं इंडिया में उनका सबका एडमिशन नीट के थ्रू होगा. सो एम्स इज नाउ अंडर नीट, JIPMER is under NEET, and I think there are some more colleges which were which are categorized as national colleges. Now they are all under NEET. Now JIPMER, for example, is an institution of national importance. काफ़ी prestigious institution है. So it's not surprising कि जो बंदा AIIMS दिल्ली में उनको नहीं मिला या फिर they just missed the seats, they have selected JIPMER. So congratulations to all those students who are gonna get into JIPMER in the first round. Then the next college, now this is weird because just one student has got into this particular college. There could be reasons which I don't understand, so you'll have to find out, but this is data and I'm just reading out the raw data. Excuse me. The next one is I don't know how to call it. It's called as MAMC, Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi. This was expected to be a favorite amongst all students. Right after this was, by the way, the top college in last year's NEET. So the NEET top rankers, they all are. You'll be in company of the top rankers from last year, but this year it starts. It debuts at 61, EIR 61, and the last rank is quite high. It's 4 lakh. Then we go to some regional colleges. Now, GMC quota is essentially, quota is not the quota, but this place quota. GMC quota has got a pretty wide range. It's expected because कोटे का natural और जो residential population है वो शायद इतना ज़्यादा है नहीं, तो obviously when it comes to some of these regional centers like Kota, Jaipur, or state capitals for that matter, वहाँ पे उस स्टेट के स्टूडेंट्स जाना काफ़ी नेचुरल है. तो यहाँ पे ऑल इंडिया कोटा लेवल पे इतना ज़्यादा रेंज आपको शायद दिखने को मिलेगा. Then the next one is SMS Medical College Jaipur, again one of the top notch institutions in India. Savai Man Singh Medical College Jaipur, Pink City, beautiful climate. So I'm not surprised that इसका range इतना ज़्यादा है नहीं. 82 to 1185 students from all over India prefer to go and study in Jaipur. Then the next one is one of the best colleges in South India, which is GMC Thiruvananthapuram or Trivandrum. Thiruvananthapuram, that's the right name. So 88 to 1078, that's the range. Again, highly respected college, and इसकी रेंज बताती है आपको कि ये काफ़ी पॉपुलर है स्टूडेंट्स में. Then the next one is Safdarjung Hospital, VMMC, which is I'm guessing the medical college associated with Safdarjung. A lot of VIPs go in here, 90 to 138. इसकी जो रिजर्व कैटेगरीज है वहाँ पे भी इसका रेंज काफ़ी नैरो है. It just underscores the popularity and the pull of this college. आप उसके ऊपर का कॉलेज देखेंगे तो उसका रेंज काफ़ी ब्रॉड है. Again, it's because जो स्टूडेंट्स थिरुवनंतपुरम या केरला या फिर उसके आसपास है, they will obviously prefer to study locally. Because of language, when it comes to treatments, etc., it's much more natural to know the local language. And then the first college from Mumbai, Amchi Mumbai. I'm from Mumbai, of course. Seth GS Medical College, Mumbai, top-notch college, established way back, not even in this century or the previous one. An old institution, so as they say, old is gold, and the numbers reflect that. 92 to 935, that's a very narrow range again. मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ पे ज़्यादा सीट्स भी नहीं है, तो वो मैं काउंट शायद ऐड करना भूल गया, बट I'll add that list. Okay, so next one is GMC Chandigarh, same story, OBC में शायद 21 बंदे को मिला है, और GMC का आप देखेंगे तो 11, there's a pretty shortish range. And the same trend continues. Now, in case, so this is, I've done this analysis for all the colleges, and we'll maybe review some of the colleges very quick. But मैं ये सिर्फ आपको बताता हूँ कि अगर आप स्टूडेंट है और आपको इस शीट से कुछ भी फ़ायदा होगा, तो it will be my pleasure to share it with you. Just, leave a comment or just message me. Your particular email ID, I'll just send it over to you. Email ID या फिर कोई भी और method जो मुझे मालूम है, I'm happy to share it. It's no big deal. Then let's look at some of these new aims. Now, these new aims, they have been allotted seats through NEET for the first time. New हो या old हो, this is the first year कोई भी aims में NEET से admission हो रहा है. And as expected, aims का काफ़ी ज़्यादा demand है. अगर हम aims को filter करते हैं, तो आपको दिखेगा कि एम्स इज़ वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर. ये हर एक एम्स का फर्स्ट राउंड का कट ऑफ आप बोल सकते हैं, कट ऑफ रैंक वाइज कट ऑफ है, नंबर वाइज नहीं। 5,150 5150 में एम्स देवगढ़ क्लोज हो रहा है, which is hats off to the government, successive governments of India, to have shown this foresight के medical में investment करना अपने it's very important for our nation, and the results speak for itself. There are 5,000 odd students who are going to be studying in a good college sponsored by the government of India, and hopefully it will result in better healthcare facilities for our country. But anyway, let's continue and let's get rid of this filter and let's start going down a bit. As you go down, you will see that ये जो journal की range है वो काफी ज़्यादा कहीं पे skewed है. Now I don't know why we have such a huge skew, but ये देखने की बात है. यहाँ पे there are no SC or ST quotas, but there is an OBC quota. So this is obviously the AMU Aligarh. As we go down, then there are some interesting variations that you see. I mean, ये सफदरजंग का जो वेरिएशन है इसके बारे में you will have to know it. I'm not a person who understands the reason why this is under the same, why there is such a huge variation. But like I said, there are internal placements or internal quotas and so on and so forth. तो इसके वजह से ये शायद हो सकता है. Then as we go down, there are some colleges which are strongly regional colleges. यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हैं उदयपुर, चेन्नई, कोट्टयम काफ़ी रीजनल बायस प्ले कर रहा है. कोट्टयम में काफ़ी कम रेंज है. Then I was personally interested in some of the other colleges in Mumbai. तो यहाँ पे मुझे I got Grant Medical College as well as Topiwala National Medical College. Grant and Topiwala, they're both Mumbai based colleges. आप देख सकते हैं कि GMC का स्टार्टिंग नंबर काफ़ी हाई है कंपेयर टू टोपीवाला, बट उसका एंडिंग नंबर काफ़ी लो है कंपेयर टू टोपीवाला. सो इसकी रेंज काफ़ी लिमिटेड है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, मुंबई के जो भी कॉलेजेस हैं वो उसमें सिर्फ 30% या व्हाट इज दैट, जो भी ऑल इंडिया कोटा होता है वो मेरे ख्याल से 15 या 30% है. मेरे ख्याल से 15% है. तो काफ़ी कम सीट्स होती हैं ऑल इंडिया कोटा के लिए. तो इट्स क्वाइट ऑब्वियस के यू विल फाइंड द रेंज टू बी क्वाइट नैरो इन इन द मुंबई कॉलेजेस. यहाँ पे स्टेट कोटा का एनालिसिस करते वक्त काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा. As we go down, and मेरे ख्याल से सेम केस with all these स्टेट लेवल कॉलेजेस. यहाँ पे ऑल इंडिया कोटा काफ़ी कम होता है और शायद पीपल डोंट रियली एक्सपेक्ट, बट उनको कभी कभी मिल जाता है. तो हियर वी गो, मणिपाल, अगेन वेरी ब्रॉड रेंज. As we go down, okay, this is LT Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College. Again, one of the good colleges in Mumbai. 1370 to 2516. I'm gonna scroll slowly. I was surprised at this. I was understanding that this is one of the better colleges. That people aspire to be part of. Again, what is better, what is not so good, I'm not really an authority. So talk to people who have done the MBBS. Don't take any word that I say, because mine is probably a second hand or a third hand opinion. So I'm advising you to discount whatever whatever sounds like advice from me. But I'm just going to talk about trends that I see. Same is the case with and the whole trend continues. AIIMS Guwahati, AIIMS Gorakhpur. These seem to be some of the lower ranked or maybe some of the latest AIIMS. When I say latest, as in abhi चालू हुए हैं. Then we have थाना का, मेरे ख्याल से ये इकलौता कॉलेज है जो गवर्नमेंट का है. Rajiv Gandhi Medical College. It is in मेरे ख्याल से Kalwa somewhere. So I'll scroll very slowly. If you see any college that interests you, hopefully it will benefit you. Uh, and like I mentioned, I'm happy to share this sheet with you. And if it benefits you in any way, I'll consider it, my pleasure to have helped you. And that's really all that I'm really expecting, nothing more. Um, Okay, so ये तो हुई MBBS की बात. I'm going to scroll real slow, but now we are going deep into the state level colleges territory. यहाँ पे काफ़ी कम अभी national colleges बचे हैं. I don't see any aims at this level, and the range is also getting much more wider. So these are extremely critical colleges from a healthcare and the role that they play in the overall health of our country. So I'm not even suggesting that because they appear low on this list means absolutely anything. These are extremely brilliant students. Even though their names, sorry, their All India ranks may be in the 5,000 and the 9,000s, these are extremely brilliant, the top of what India has to offer. And believe me, all Indians are proud of you for having secured, a seat in the first round. Doesn't matter how you got it, as long as you get it. Okay, so that's really all, I suppose, from the MBBS side of things. If you have a certain interest, अगर मुझे आपको लगता है कि मैं I should run some more filters, maybe on a certain state or maybe on certain other facet, let me know. Maybe we can do it for government colleges, so on and so forth. But मेरे लिए तो जो list बनी उसमें से मैंने distinct मार के हर एक का analysis आपके सामने रखा है. And like I promised, I'll just run through this list very quickly so that we can shift over to BDS. ओके अगर कोई इंस्टीट्यूट आपके इंटरेस्ट की थी और वो जल्दी से स्क्रॉल हो गई तो आई एम सॉरी अबाउट दैट. आई एम हैप्पी टू गिव यू द ओरिजिनल शीट. Okay, so now let's look at BDS. Now, BDS education is a complete black box to me. What that means is मुझे इसके बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी नहीं है. Yes, as you can tell, I'm of an age where I've consumed a lot of dental treatments. I'm thankful to a lot of distinguished and excellent dentists that I've met in my in my life. So let's look at the competition, the results from the first round allocations or provisional allocations, as they call it. The top dental college in the country seems to be Maulana Azhar Institute of Dental Science. That's where that's where and I'm that's where a lot of these toppers have got through. Now you can imagine this, right? ये जो बंदे हैं 14, 59, 60, 20 के, they could have easily gone to MBBS, but clearly passion was for dental, and they have picked up dental. Now again, I'm not saying it on anyone's behalf, but this is what I can make out just by reading these numbers. Same is the case with some of the other colleges. These are these are numbers where I believe you could have got into a Kerala college for an MBBS seat, but obviously the preference of that student was for dental. And I'm really happy to see this passion in medical students, to opt for a college of a line or a course of their choice rather than go with the flow and just follow the herds, suppose. Lot of really good colleges. Nair Hospital now comes out. As you can see, very short. Let me freeze the panes. Nair Hospital, again a very famous college in Mumbai. there is a range of whatever 8219 to 18160. There are more colleges which fall in this range. Like I said, the common rule is that if the range is too high, that essentially means that it's got a regional flavor and preferred by mostly regional students. So when I say regional, I mean state level students. Don't get me wrong. Whatever is the catchment area. As we go down, you'll see a steady fluctuation. This is interesting. I don't know why this is the case, but I'm sure there are rules and reasons behind why certain aberrations appear. I'm looking at data, guys. I'm not going to comment beyond the data. I don't mean to. I'm not eligible to talk beyond the data. But yeah, whatever variations I see, I'm stating them. Government Dental College and Hospital Mumbai 11654, 19647. ESIC Dental College New Delhi. Okay, there is the first. It's going into the OBC quota. It's 12,746 to 15,665. Again, a very narrow range, about 3,000 odd students. Now I don't know what is the difference between the two. I'm guessing the other one is in a different location. ESIC Dental College and Hospital, or maybe they're the same. I don't know. I may be wrong, but anyway. But don't blame me. That's the way the the result was published. Then a lot of government dental colleges are next. As you can see, they are very tight in terms of their ranges. Ranging between 12,000 to about 24,000. And as you go down, you'll start seeing more and more. The number simply drops. At the for this particular college. As you can see, there's like a serious drop between 20,000 to 6,60,000. And then, there is one college from Navi Mumbai, one college from Pune, DY Patil, again, a very large educational, set of institutions in India, in Maharashtra. Balaji Dental College and Hospital, Chennai. Yeah, overall, that's really the whole list. Once again, the idea of this video was to share some of the analysis that I performed. There were some really interesting insights which I felt I should share with you, which is exactly hopefully what I've done. And if this video is not enough, just let me know how I can send this to you, and I'm happy to send this to you. I don't want to necessarily put this onto some sort of a public site, because I don't have a public website, and I don't think it would be fair to just open it up to the whole world. This is first round results. They're temporary. They're not going to hold true forever. So I'll continue doing my analysis for the second round and the third round. And hopefully, once all the rounds are complete, I should be able to publish something in the public domain with the final cutoffs, and that will be more relevant. That will be more of recording of history for what happened in the 2020 NEET. So once again, if you're a student who has appeared for NEET and awaiting a allotment, my best wishes to you. Just be patient, and I'm not again an authority. All I can tell you as a fatherly figure is hope dies last, so never stop hoping, and hope is a good thing. Those are the two messages you can take away, and that's it really. If you felt that I was blabbering a lot, dislike the video. I'll take that as a as proof of engagement. If you liked the video, if whatever content I presented was even a bit useful to you, if you found it to be interesting, hit the like button, and subscription to the channel is something really up to you. I mean, no hard and fast rule. Feel free to subscribe. I don't think I'll be making too many videos beyond what I plan to do for NEET. And even if I present the videos or create videos, they're not likely to be related. So don't bother subscribing. Just hitting like is my currency. So happy to receive on both sides, likes, dislikes. So thank you very much, and have a pleasant day. And my best wishes to you. Stay safe. COVID's not over yet. And we are still obligated to make sure that all our family members are safe and sound. And that's it. Thank you very much, and take care. Bye.